Hey J12, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode we got this cool image right here. So basically what this is a mirror mounted dash cam. So basically use it like a mirror option, or you can also use a dash cam as well. So that way you can see everything in the front and also in the rear as well, if you guys do want to use a rear view option. So obviously there's some glare right now on the product because there's a wrapper on here. So I'm going to take out the wrapper first. Alright, so once we take out the wrapper, you can definitely see the glare on here is not as bad, but there definitely still is a little bit. But basically, you can see right here, this product is from this brand right here. And if you guys turn it on this side right here, they basically show you guys some of the specs and features that's on here. But this is basically what the packaging looks like when you guys first get it. Let me just open it up to show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so once you guys take off that part right there, this is what actually looks like inside right here. So there's definitely a box underneath the wrapper. Let's open this up. Alright, so once you guys take off the cover, there's definitely a protection layer on here. And once you guys take this out, you guys can definitely see the product on here. And do have the brand logo here as well. So let's take it out. Right underneath that, you can see the product got everything else in terms of cable, the mounting accessories, and etc. So let's take it out to see what it actually looks like. Alright, so you see there's a bunch of stuff inside right here. Let's take out everything to show you guys what is actually included. So right here, they do provide the cable to use the GPS option. Right here, they provide you guys the cable if you guys want to set up the rear view camera. Right here, they provide you guys the cable you guys want to use to actually charge up the product and activate it. So if you're curious about what the cable looks like, this actually looks right here. And we see right here they provide guys a bunch of mounting accessories and also a user manual as well to teach you guys how to set it up. And that is basically everything that's included in the package right here. Now I'm actually take out the product to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is basically what the product looks right here. And we see they definitely do have the brand logo on here. So I'm assuming it's your first time using the product. You guys need to peel this part out first. So just like this. And then once you guys peel it out, you can see the mirror on there. It's definitely a high quality mirror on here. So it's definitely really cool how to give you guys the option to use the mirror option, or you can definitely use the dash cam option. So we turn it on the other side. This is basically what it looks like in this side right here. So you basically want to clip this part onto your mirror, and this part right here is basically your dash cam option. And we see on the top part right here, they basically provide you guys everything else. So right here we do have the outlet for you guys to plug in the cable to actually activate it. Right here we do have the micro SD card slot, and right here we do have two other outlets as well. So one of them is for the AV cable, and the other one is for GPS. And I believe throughout the part right here, it probably has like a speaker or microphone on here, so that way when you guys recording stuff on your dash cam, it can definitely record the audio as well. And supposedly for the part right here, they mentioned how the product actually has a loop recording option and also has like a parking monitor as well. But basically for this part right here, it's supposed to be touchscreen. But we'll find out in a second when I actually plug it in and actually test it out. But you see on the mirror here, it definitely has a pretty good coverage. So that way you can see everything around you. And also if you can see the mirror on here, it definitely feels and looks like a high quality mirror as well. And if you can see the bottom part right here, I'm assuming that is the button for you guys to activate the product. So once you guys press and hold it down, it should turn on. Alright. So you definitely see the product turn on right here, and the dash cam option definitely does work. But there's definitely a lot of glare on here, so I can't really show you guys too well. So basically when you guys are not using the product, you want to press the bottom button right here to turn it off. And that basically turns it off. So that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Let me actually go set this up to show you guys how it works and what it actually looks like when you guys actually set it up. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so once you guys set up the product, this is basically actually looks right here. So I'm going to turn on the product to show you guys how it works. So I'm seeing we actually turn on the product right here. You can definitely see that it actually does work. And currently I don't have the rear view camera set up yet, but if you guys want to set it up, you definitely can. But if you see the image quality on here, it definitely works really well. And then when you guys don't want to use this option, you basically want to turn it off, and that way you can use the mirror option. But if you tap it one time, it shows you guys that recording in 2.5K. It shows you guys the date and time on here. It shows you guys that it's recording audio. And it shows you guys the battery life on here. You definitely have the option to speak on here, record. And then right here we do have a setting option, and then here's a lock option, and so much more. So if you tap on the setting page right here, you can definitely see that there's a lot of different options available for you guys. So you can definitely adjust all these different settings on here if you guys want to. So you can see when I actually set up the rear view camera option on here, it definitely does work. If you can see how I should show you guys side by side, you can definitely adjust that on here if you guys want to. Let me actually show you guys how to adjust it. So basically, if you guys want to change the screen right here, you guys want to go like this. So you basically want to swipe it left, and that will change the screen option on here. So that way you can use the front camera or the rear view camera option on here. And definitely if you see the video quality on here, it's definitely pretty high quality. For both the front camera and the rear view camera right here, you can see it definitely works really well. And welcome back guys. So nice so quick test upon definitely see actually does work and actually works quite well. So like I mentioned, if you guys want to use the rear view camera, you definitely can. Or if you guys only want to use the mirror option with the dash cam in the front, you can definitely use that as well. But definitely really cool how this product actually has like the mirror option and dash cam option built into one. So that way you guys don't need to have a separate thing. But definitely the cool thing about the rear view camera is the fact that once you guys set it up, if you guys put it outdoor, the actual product is actually waterproof, so you don't have to worry about water getting onto it. But you see from the image and video quality on the product right here, it definitely looks really nice. It definitely looks like a high quality product as well. But now to go unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality dash cam that also works as a mirror option. So that way you can see stuff both in the front and back and have it record as well. Then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.